Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your power acoustic head unit supports Apple CarPlay and that your vehicle uses a compatible wiring harness. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts while you work. Make sure you have the correct harness and any can or steering wheel adapters. These preserve factory functions. You'll also need a certified lightning cable, basic hand tools, and a trim removal kit so you can access the radio mounting without damaging panels. With panels off, remove the factory head unit and label connectors so reassembly is straightforward. Next, mate the power acoustic wiring harness to the vehicle harness. Connect constant 12V, switched ACC, ground, and individual speaker leads. This ensures memory and sound. Plug in the antenna and any can or steering wheel control adapter to retain factory steering buttons. Once assembled, slide the unit into the dash, fasten the screws, reconnect the battery, and power on to verify basic function before proceeding to CarPlay setup. Now plug your iPhone into the head unit with a certified lightning cable and follow the on-screen prompts to allow CarPlay. This pairs device and head unit for audio and controls. If CarPlay doesn't appear, go into the head unit settings to enable Apple CarPlay and check for available firmware updates. Updates often resolve compatibility quirks. If problems persist, reboot the phone, try a different cable, and inspect harness pins for bent or loose contacts. These simple checks fix most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.